Hi YouTube. Looking for a pocket screwdriver or a small screwdriver to fit into a pocket toolkit? Here I've got three great options for you, all slightly different. So hang around and we'll go through them all. Just before we go through them individually, so I've got the Wiha Pocket Pack, there's the Hoto Precision Screwdriver, and then there's the Stein Whale Super Short Screwdriver bit set. So I'll be going through each of these individually. Let me know in the comments if you have a favorite of these or if you think you've got something that's way better and that's also budget. So my target for this was for it to be less than $20. Let's have a look at them individually. Starting with this Wiha Pocket Pack. So it weighs in at 68 grams or 2.4 ounces. The cost, in the US, this is $12. Now, unfortunately, in the UK, it's really expensive, so it's £32. So this is a much better budget option for the US. Looking at it, you can see that it's a bit set. So how do we turn this into a screwdriver? Well, it has a bit extender that comes with it. And then for each of these bits, and there are 4 Phillips and 2 flatheads. So the 2 flatheads are 6mm and 4.5mm, and then the Phillips, there's a Phillips 0, 1, 2 and 3, and these are all 1/4" bits, so you can use them elsewhere. It comes with a 1/4" extender, but one of the best things is that built into the base there's a 1/4" hex, so you can use this as a screwdriver. It's not the most compact of forms, and I imagine if you put too much stress on it, it's plastic, so you're going to break it, but in a pinch this works out as a very easy pocketable screwdriver. I really like the extender as well, and it all fits into this neat pocket pack, so you can use it separately or add it with whatever screwdriver 1/4" bit set that you have as well. So that's the Wiha Pocket Pack. You can also get a similar format but with Torx as well. Next we have the Hoto 24-in-1 precision screwdriver set. This weighs in at 59 grams or 2.1 ounces. It's 120mm long or 4 3/4 inches. And the diameter is 5/8 of an inch or about 16mm. Now what makes this so great is that the top spins, so if you're holding it, it's very easy to turn, and then inside there are 12 double-ended magnetic bits. I'm not going to go through the full range, you can check out the spec online. But what's great is you just take them out, use whichever one you want. You can hold the end and turn it really easily. And these are decent quality bits as well. Then when you finish, you can just pop it back in. So you can see it's got a good range of bits. It's got Phillips, Torx, and some security ones as well. So that is the Hoto 24-in-1 screwdriver. You should be able to get this for about $20 or £20. That's on Amazon. It may be cheaper elsewhere. And then lastly, we have this set here, which is the Stein Whell. Now, I saw this on Dracomi's channel, and I think it's an amazing little set, really compact. You have a number of double-ended bits, so 8 double-ended bits, so that's a total of 16 heads that you have. It's got hex, Phillips, flathead, as well as some Torx as well. And these bits you could use elsewhere, or even if you don't want to use this small handle, you can use the extender and the bits with something else as well. So this could be used with the ratchet rocket, for instance, or with one of the other sets such as the Victorinox L-shaped bit driver, because these are all 1/4". But what I really like about this is that if you just take out the bit extender, you can use this to push the bits out, It's magnetic, and you can then use it with this small cellulose acetate handle. If you don't want to use it that way and you take them out, you can even use it as a stubby if you're short for space. Not a huge amount of torque, but if you haven't got much space and you need to use it, this will work really well. So it's a quarter inch bits. It weighs in at 70 grams in total, or 2.5 ounces, and it cost $13, or you can get it in the UK for £17. I will be trying this out more fully, so this is just a first look at all three of these. Let me know what you think in the comments. I hope you've liked watching it. Don't forget to hit the like button as well. It really lets me know that I'm making the right sort of content.